Hey guys, what's up? It's another weekend and I thought I would make another vlog. So this vlog would be on what I'm gonna eat or what we are preparing in the weekend, because बहुत सारे DMs और बहुत सारा feedback मिला कि please share some recipes and all whatever you guys cook in the weekend, and it might be special. So हाँ, special होता है, cheating ही cheating चल रही है. तो हाँ, so this weekend it's gonna be this, and also Teachers Day है, so let's see what my babies do for me, and yeah, that's about it. तो चलो सबसे पहले I'll change and मैं चाय बनाऊँगी, उसके बाद let's see क्या होता है. तो weekend में the first thing that I have is चाय. So चाय बनाते हैं. Okay, so my water has come to a boil and इसमें 2 cup पानी है, and the moment boiling starts, I'll add on my ginger. I go for this. This is from Amul. It's called the Moti milk. So it's a milk that is more thick basically. So I mean it just makes my chai even more tastier. Now that my chai has come to a boil, अब इसको खौलाना है, हीट को कम कर देंगे. ये तो मैं बस फन के लिए करती हूँ, वो रोड साइड वाले खुल्लड़ चाय वालों की तरह, because मज़ा आता है. So now after like 5 to 6 minutes of boiling, I will add my sugar. And the last thing that I would be adding would be 2 elaichi. I would just break them and then I would put it in the chai. So I just tear it apart this way and put it in the chai. And after putting the elaichi, just 1 minute of a boil and then it's done. तो हम लोग कप्स में चाय नहीं पीते, हम लोग भर भर के मग में चाय पीते हैं. Cheers guys! So I'll have my chai and then we'll see what is there for breakfast. So for breakfast we're gonna make chila. For that we need carrots, onion and tomato in a mixie, and then let's see aage. This is like 2 carrots, 1 onion and 1 tomato, and in that I'm going to grate this little bit of ginger and I'm going to put it in. So I'm putting this ginger into the 3 ingredients and I'm going to add some salt now. Okay, so my ingredients are in there. Now all we need to do is add some little water so that this grinds into a fine paste, and then we need to cover this and chalao. So when the paste is done, now we have to keep on adding some little water, and इसको थोड़ा सा fine consistency में लाना है. So थोड़ा सा और पानी से चलाओ. So after this fine paste, we are gonna add 2 green chilies into this. अगर बच्चे खाएंगे, if kids have to eat, then avoid green chilies, but I would like to put some, and again skip. Now it's time, हम इसमें डालेंगे बेसन, and that is बिल्कुल अंदाजे से. I'm gonna put in बेसन and water, and then I'm gonna blend it. So now that my besan is in there, I'm gonna blend it again. So into my chila, I'm gonna add on these spices. So I have 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, dhania powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, haldi powder, and again half teaspoon of jeera powder, bhuna hua jeera, and a little bit of crushed chili flakes. So I'm going to put this all in. ये थोड़ा normal chile से different है because it's invented by my best friend and I'm trying it. So yeah, ये इतना बड़ा साइज का नहीं होता है. We generally make it like small ones. And yeah, that's about the size. हम लोग ज़्यादा बड़े चीले नहीं बनाते हैं. So that's the size. And next thing, to cook faster, हम लोग इस पे एक ढक्कन लगा देंगे. And we keep this for like 3 to 5 minutes and then इसको पलट देंगे. Okay, so now I'm done with breakfast. इतना अच्छा नहीं था but ठीक है, खाने लायक बना था. So now I'm going to shoot a little bit and then after my shoot we'll see कि हम afternoon lunch में क्या बनाएंगे. It's a surprise. चलो. So for lunch we have some Malabar parota and we have fried them and kept it like this. And next is we have some chopped onions, some chili and some lime, and we are beating some eggs. तो egg roll बन रहा है. और हमारे पास कबाब भी है, तो कबाब egg roll बन रहा है. और ये भी है. जाना चले खाना खाने. So we have put some chili flakes and नमक. हमने तवा हीट कर लिया है and now we are going to put in the eggs. थोड़ा सा ऑयल डाला है and to grease. Now अब हम डालेंगे अंडा. और अंडा तुरंत डालने के बाद ही सिका हुआ पराठा we have to place it over the अंडा ताकि वो चिपक जाए. Yeah, Kolkata egg kebab roll. So now we're starting off to make the roll. तो सबसे पहले kebabs को crush करें, and this is chicken shami kebab. You'll easily get it in any general store. We get it from Green Chick Chalk or Green Chick Shop, I don't know, whatever. So crush करने के बाद towards one side you have to place the kebab like this. उसके बाद chopped onions, some green chilies, और मैं कम खाती हूँ because I don't eat spicy, तो मेरे में कम डाला गया है. Now comes the hero. Squeeze in some lime. That's the hero of the dish. So yeah, little bit of salt to taste and some ketchup. So we're putting hot and sweet, Maggi hot and sweet. You can put normal ketchup also. Yeah, उसका mayonnaise भी डाल सकते हैं, but mayonnaise would kill the स्वाद of Kolkata egg roll. So no mayonnaise, and we put in some chili sauce. That's about the filling, and now is the tough part of rolling this in. So एक साथ we have to hold on to all the materials together and then we have to roll. Perfecto. और कैमरा की बैटरी जाते हुए we have to do this fast and take a toothpick and that's it. Done. So before my camera battery goes off, this is my Kolkata egg kebab roll. So subah chai and then chila was ठीक है, that was my first try, but this is smelling yummy and I'm gonna eat this and फिर देखते हैं कि रात में क्या खाते हैं हम लोग. Okay, so it's Teachers Day and I've got like really good wishes from all my students. So this I wanted to show and I also want to capture and keep it with me. थैंक यू। सब लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे चीज़ें भेजे हैं।
स्वस्तिका ने क्या कार्ड बनाया है?
It's really a great thing.
अरे वाह, ये मेरे लिए बनाया या सारे टीचर्स को सेम दिखा रही है? हैं?
So I was very happy in that.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
9 o'clock I guess right now, and we are preparing dinner. And weekend is always my best friend's time, so I am not in the kitchen. So dinner bhi wahi bana rahi hai. So let's see the preparation, and we are having Chinese. So Chinese mein, this is the preparation that's been going on. These are some fish fillets which are fried here. We've got it from the market. It's not what we've made at home, क्योंकि बहुत time लगता है, इतना time है नहीं. And then we have some chopped capsicum and onion, और उसके साथ हम लोग खा रहे हैं फ्राइड राइस. तो ये फ्राइड राइस के समान है. So these are finely chopped onion, we have carrots, and we have beans and green chili, ginger and garlic. And now we're gonna start. So सबसे पहले हम बना रहे हैं chili fish. So we put some ginger and some garlic into your karai. ये हमें हाई फ्लेम में पकाना है या लो फ्लेम में? मीडियम. In goes the capsicum. Stir. So next, this is the paste that is gonna go in the onion and capsicum fry. So इसमें है dried, मतलब this paste is basically dried chilies and garlic and a little bit of salt to taste. So सूखी लाल मिर्च we have to soak it in water and then grind it with garlic and namak. So that is the paste. Yeah. I've been strictly said no to shoot her making food, so I'm not shooting her. तो सिर्फ खाने को देखिए और पेट भरिए. Little bit. Yeah. अब बारी है सॉसेस का. So हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं टमाटो केचप, and we're using dark soya sauce and some vinegar and red chili sauce. फिर से रेड चिली सॉस यार. हाय राम. क्या मैं ये खाना खा पाऊंगी या नहीं, पता चलेगा थोड़ी टाइम में. The smell is just awesome, street like feeling. मार पिटाई चल रही है. So a little bit of vinegar. Oh sorry, that was me. आपको आज खाने में कितने सीटी मिले? सुबह भी मिले हैं. Can you just say this and isn't in your mouth not watery enough now? अबे यार, this is amazing. Now in goes salt to taste. So now we are putting a little bit of water. इतना सा पानी, वैसे नहीं पानी डाल दिया था और वो क्लिप आया नहीं था, तो हमने ड्रामा करा थोड़ा सा पानी डालने में. Yeah man. Okay, इसका नाम नहीं है बट मैं बता देती हूँ. So this is Ajinomoto and it's not good for health but we put a little bit क्योंकि वो चाइनीज़ वाला फीलिंग चाहिए होता है यार, तो बस थोड़ा सा. As you can see, are we like at the end of the recipe? अब हम 90% पे पहुँच गए मतलब. So इसमें थोड़ा सा पानी ऐड कर दीजिए so that the capsicum is a little bit melted in, and then to it we will add some corn flour to get that thicky gravy, and then we'll add the fish, and then we're done. So after like 5 to 7 minutes, this comes to a boil, and we will be putting our corn flour. Thodu sa. And now you see the thicky gravy. अब इससे मेरे को बुलाया नहीं तो मैं फिश डाल ना दिखा नहीं पाई, but anyways we have the fish fillets inside. These are the ones, and थोड़ा सा stirring and you're done. You're just done. So yeah. हम लोग अब अपना next dish बना रहे हैं, which is fried rice. Egg fried rice. तो अंडे लीजिए and फेंटिए with नमक. Yeah. We have put a little bit of olive oil. In goes your egg. Okay, so after the egg scramble, now we are making the fried rice. So into the oil first, you need to put the ginger and the garlic. Fry it a little bit. ये वाला सीन कितना सही लगता है यार. Garlic in the oil. Now in goes our onion. Now all the veggies go in, so carrots and beans. भूख लग रही है बहुत तेज. So now after the veggies are cooked like 40%, we add in some chilies, chopped chilies. Now we are adding in some red chili sauce. Again from Ching's. What else? This is tomato sauce. Baap re, yuddh. And next we have some chili sauce. How many cities did you get?
And now थोड़ा सा vinegar.
Vinegar on the rocks. क्यों मेरे को स्ट्रिक्टली मना करा गया कि शेफ को मैं फीचर नहीं कर सकती अपने वीडियो में, क्योंकि हम घर के रॉयल ड्रेस में हैं. बट ठीक है, आई कांट इवन चीट, वरना ये सारे फुटेज डिलीट हो जाएंगे मेरे कैमरा से. So next add in some salt to taste. हम अंडे कब डालेंगे? कब डालेंगे?
लास्ट में.
Last में. What is this?
Pepper. Black pepper.
Black pepper. This is घर का crushed black pepper. That's the best way you can make black pepper. Don't buy black pepper powder from the market. And chili flakes. Chili flakes भी घर का बना हुआ है. Dried chilies and just grind them in together. घरेलू लोग हैं हम. Oh yeah. Now we add on our scrambled eggs. So now that's the scrambled eggs with the veggies. Last step होगा cooked rice. बाप रे, Last step would be, we have some cooked rice and we mix it. That's it. Ting ting. So we have some cooked rice ready with us, and now it's time we pour it in. So we've added in a little bit of salt into it. This is absolutely gorgeous. So many colors, and actually fish is also already here. Let's eat, girl. ये तो बिल्कुल बाहर का डिश लग रहा है यार. The rice is actually cooked perfect. ना ज़्यादा ना कम. खाना is ready and मुझे बहुत भूख लग रही है यार. अभी मैं एक बार शेफ को दिखाऊंगी, लेकिन बनता है यार. तो शी इज मेड लंच एंड डिनर, और सुबह का ब्रेकफास्ट आई जस्ट अप. सो या दैट्स लाइक आवर डिनर एंड लेट्स ईट. वीकेंड बहुत ही अच्छा गया. मेरे पसीने छूट गए खाते हुए, बिकॉज द फिश वाज डैम स्पाइसी एंड डैम टेस्टी. आई मीन आई डोंट ईट स्पाइसी एट ऑल. मुझको बिल्कुल भी नहीं सूट करता है स्पाइसी. आई हैव नेवर हैड स्पाइसी फूड बचपन से, सो आई कांट ईट. तो जो लोग स्पाइसी नहीं खाते हैं, वन लिटिल टिप, ऐड अ टीस्पून ऑफ हनी व्हेन यू मेक द सॉस, एंड आई थिंक इट विल बी ग्रेट. बट चाइनीज़ में स्पाइसी आई like, so I ate it and I ate double. मैं कुछ ज़्यादा ही राइस खा गई, and I think this weekend has been a blast and I loved it and I hope you guys have also liked it. मुझे बहुत सारे DMs और feedback मिले that whenever you make weekend vlog, I think you should go for what you cook and give us some dishes. तो हम भी देखे and all. तो yeah, that was it about this weekend, and it was Teachers Day, so you saw the wishes also. मेरे बच्चों ने इतने cute messages and videos बनाए हैं, text messages भेजे, voice notes भेजे. I think that really made my day even more better. So yeah, I hope you guys have liked it, and if you guys have liked it, please like the video, share it with your friends, and also please do try these recipes. Don't try the besan chila. I miserably failed in it, and ये भी ऑप्रो का ही रेसिपी था, and I just मैंने बहुत ख़राब कर दिया. But anyways, whenever she makes it next, I guess I'll show you the frying part. She does it the best. My water content was a little bit more in the chila, so वो अच्छा नहीं बना. But anyways, खाने लायक बना था. So yeah, this was it about this video. Thank you so much for watching it, and thank you so much for your constant support. I love you guys, and also do follow me on Instagram, and yeah, my handle is Wowway Beauty in that too. So I'll see you the next time. Bye.